Okay, welcome back to 640 AM The Mix, and today's video is going to be a walking tour of downtown historical Tampa and a river walk and a festival, all wrapped up into one, so join us. Okay, welcome back to 640 AM The Mix, and today's video, like I said, we're going to be doing a walking tour of downtown historical Tampa. We're going to walk the famous Tampa River Walk, which is one of the top 15 in the nation, and we're going to do it while the Gasparilla Festival for 2023 is going on. What a better way to walk downtown Tampa when the big Gasparilla Festival is in town, where upon thousands of pirates descend on Tampa Bay, take over Tampa Bay, and the mayor gives up the key to the city. It's a big parade festival, a big party, similar to Mardi Gras in New Orleans, and 640 AM The Mix was live and on the scene. So let's check out all the fun activities downtown Tampa, Tampa Bay, the River Walk, and the Gasparilla Festival. Enjoy, everyone. Okay, weather was quite chilly for the start of the festivities in Tampa Bay, but as the day progressed, the weather got a little bit warmer and the clouds broke for a little bit. And so let's go and search for some pirates. The Tower of Pisa, Tampa style. WFLA News, Channel 8 Tampa. I bet they were shaking in their boots knowing that 640 AM The Mix was just outside across the bay. Technotronic don't hurt no one, especially at Gasparilla. Whoa! Pirates on land. Who knew they could sail on I-4? The pirate fleet is starting to amass. These are rich pirates. Walk the plank? No, just river walk. Walk the river. Hey, that tree moved. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Come on, do it for me. Jump out. I guess he ain't gonna do it. Okay, now we're gonna move to historical downtown Tampa. And let's see what's going on with the Gasparilla Festival on land. Whoa, Gaslight Park. You heard it here first on 6:40 a.m. The Mix. Yep, we have pirates on land. Okay, Teddy Roosevelt and the famous Rough Riders passed this location in downtown Tampa. Maybe they can repel the pirates. We shall see. Also, John F. Kennedy spent a day here in Tampa. And there's a pirate. He made it on land. Okay, they're the Rough Riders. They're starting to amass themselves to counter the pirate invasion. And these Rough Riders spent the night at the Hilton. Okay, we're back at the River Walk. And there's some music everywhere. We came across some Cuban music. hear a live band right on the quad. And there are the Rough Riders pushing the pirates back to the sea. But they'll be back next year. Okay, there you have it. That's the Gasparilla Festival for 2023 in Tampa. And we also did a walking tour of the famous Tampa River Walk, named one of the 15 best river walks in the United States. And we also did a historic downtown Tampa walking tour as well. So all wrapped up into one, a threefer. And no, not a reefer, a threefer. And comment below, tell me what you think if you were at the Gasparilla Festival for 2023. And don't forget, check the description for the final word on the walking tour and the festival. Like and subscribe, and we'll catch you next time right here on 640 AM The Mix, New York's only home for house and techno and walking. Hey, don't forget to check the travel and leisure section on the channel for other fabulous videos about travel and leisure and walking. Music provided by Iberius.